Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. So today I'm going to be making a couple of really pretty additions for the home. So I'm going to be making some mirrored candle covers, and these are going to be really pretty, guys, and these are going to be a great addition if you like electronic candles. Okay, so I'm going to get started. So I'm going to be using, this is a 5-inch glass vase that I picked up from my thrift store. So I'm going to be using two today because I'm making two projects today. I'm going to be using these round mirrors. The larger mirrors I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and the smaller mirrors I picked up from Amazon. I'm going to be using one yellow crystal. This is glass crystal door pull. This is so beautiful, guys. I'm going to be using a clear one also, but I wanted to show you guys, if you've ever purchased these because you saw me use them, if you leave them out exposed to light, they will oxidize a little bit, and the color is really beautiful after it oxidizes, but I just wanted to let you know these door pulls do oxidize. I'm going to be using this acrylic wrap. I picked this up from Amazon. This is going to make the projects look so nice, guys, and I have one in gold, and the gold is really nice as well. Also, I'm going to be using my Aleene's clear gel tacky glue and my Aleene's mixed media adhesive. I'll be using my thread snippers, my scissors. I'm going to be using my hot glue gun, and I'm also going to be using a silicone face brush to spread the tacky glue onto the wrap. So I'm going to begin by just making sure I clean off everything that's glass or mirror with some alcohol and a paper towel. So I'm going to begin by measuring the gold wrap around one of the vase. I'm just going to cut off just enough that's going to fit completely around the vase. Next, I'm going to use some clear gel tacky glue, and I'm going to randomly place it along the wrap, and then I'm going to use my silicone brush just to spread it. After that, guys, I'm going to apply the wrap to the vase. I'm going to get it in place, and then I'm going to seal both ends with a little bit of hot glue. So I'm going to set that to the side and let it start to dry, and I'm going to start on the next one. Now for my next vase, I have to cut 2 strips in order to completely cover the vase. So what I'm going to do is use this one as a perfect cut already, and I'm just going to cut a second one. So guys, when I flip it over, as you see, there are black lines behind this wrap. I'm going to show you how I remove them. I'm just simply going to just cover it over with a silver metallic marker. I hate to see these lines in on my project, so I'm just going to remove them. Well, not really remove them, just cover them up with the marker. The marker is silver and it's metallic, and as you can see, it looks like it's not even there anymore. I just simply covered it over. And so after that, I'm going to do the same thing to the second vase that I did with the first. So it's almost dry, guys, but what I need to do is start working on the rest of the project so that it completely dry overnight. Everything can dry together. And I'm just going to use a little bit of alcohol on the paper towel again and just clean off everything one more time. I'm going to start with my Aleene's mixed media adhesive. I'm going to adhere the mirror and the door pull to the bottom side of the vase. And I'm going to do this to both vases. After that, I'm going to let them dry overnight. So guys, it's the next day and look how nice they look. These are really cute just the way they are. I am going to do some finishing touches on them, and I'm going to start with a strip of the gold wrap. I'm just going to use the circular strips, and what I'm doing here is just cutting one of the two threads that's holding all of them together. I'm doing this because I want to place it around the circumference of the small mirror, and I need to make sure that it doesn't cause any gaps or it's not sitting up or looking, like it's not placed properly. Just snipping one of the threads will allow it to sit very neatly around the mirror. So you'll see what I mean as I start to apply it around the mirror. It makes it very easy and it looks very neat. That came out really nice, guys. Look how nice that looks. And snipping that one of those threads helps that to lay flat and neat. I love the way these two projects came out today. I'm going to show you the other one right next to it. They are so nice together. These are beautiful candle covers. These are for electronic candles. The candles I'm using today are from Luminara. I got mine from QVC. You can get them from Amazon. Amazon sells them now. I simply covered mine over with a pearlized wrap. But yeah, these are so nice, guys. They have a bright light and they have a flickering flame, so it looks so beautiful. It looks so authentic. It looks real. So that's what I'm going to be using today in the candles. And guys, that's it for the project. Now I'm going to show you the finished project. It came out so beautiful, guys. So let me know what you think in the comment section. And guys, I want to thank you for joining me today. I do appreciate you. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And you stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.